Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are having a Innova which has come for the complete service, and this has come for a clutch replacement. Right now we have placed the vehicle in the ramp at the moment. The vehicle is old 2008 Innova which is driven almost 2 lakh odd kilometers. At the moment we have removed the clutch plate as well as pressure plate from the gearbox, and we have downed the gearbox completely. So you can just have a look at the gearbox. Gearbox is completely been removed. And these are the parts which we have, and these are the old parts. You can just have a look at the old parts. This is a old clutch plate as well as pressure plate and a releaser bearing which has been completely removed. There was a lot of complaint and the clutch was getting hard. That's the reason we are replacing it. And right now we are having a brand new parts which we have procured from Toyota, and this is a brand new clutch which is procured from Toyota. You can just check out the clutch plate as well as pressure plate. And we are using a Sachs called as brand for the pressure, that's the releaser bearing, and the brand new releaser bearing is being installed here in the clutch, in the gearbox. So right now the gearbox oil has also been removed. At the moment you can just have a look at the gearbox oil. It's been completely removed, and also we'll be adding a brand new gearbox oil into this. So for any kinds of service related issues for both petrol and diesel cars, we are a multi-brand workshop which we are in Bangalore, Shivkote. For more and more details you can just contact us on a below number. We are right now working with all kinds of brands like Toyota, Maruti, Chevrolet, Nissan, Ford, and all kinds of brands which are available in Indian market. At the moment we are working with only Indian cars. For more and more details, so please like and subscribe our channel. And also any kinds of service related issues or any mechanical issues, AC, electrical, and any kinds of suspension issues, you can just WhatsApp us on a below number. So please contact us, kindly contact us on a below numbers below. Our workshop name is Wheelz Customz. We are based in Shivkote, Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks and have a great day.